Hi. Hey guys. So a lot of people have been asking me how I do my stoning, rhinestoning and things like that. So I wanted to show you guys. Here are just a couple that I've done. They're really sparkly, so they're kind of hard to see. And then I do my glosses, my highlighters. I don't know if you can even see that. I just do random stuff. It's a really good boredom blaster, and it's really good for my, oh, I also do this, like I did the drips in stones. It's a little dirty because of, obviously, makeup and stuff. And then I did this. So, anyway, I've done pretty much everything. All the makeup products I own, I've rhinestoned. It's really good for my depression because it's giving me a goal. So I feel there's something for me to look forward to, and there's a reason for me to continue doing something. So anyway, and it's really good for a boredom blaster, and it's just fun. Like, it's fun to have shit like this all over your room, and my room really is. It's really all over my room. So anyway, you can buy rhinestone things like this on Amazon, and they come with, so these are around $12. They come full. I would not recommend buying these every time because they usually come with tweezers and a little kind of palette to hold them. So I recommend getting those once, maybe twice, 3 times, build up your stock, whatever. And the tweezers that they come with are really good. These are on Amazon, like I said. What I use to stick rhinestones on everything from cardboard to wood to painting canvases. What else have I done? Plastic, metal. The list goes on. So what I use to stick rhinestones or gems, whatever you want to call them, on everything is gem tack. This is really good. A lot of people recommend E6000. It is toxic, and I use it because I do so much rhinestoning. I prefer to not use it. If I did like one mirror and that was it, I'd be like, okay, E6000's fine, but it also can chip away at the backing of the stone, which can make it look very dull. Whereas this does not do this. Gem tack is non-toxic, so you can't smell it. And one of the things that I found was happening was I was using E6000 and I'd start to get a headache. I found out that when you use E6000 a lot, it can actually get into your fat cells, which I have a lot of. And if you ever lose them, then it can start to poison you because the E6000's in your fat cells or something. So it's pretty fucked up. I don't really want that to happen. Some people might like E6000 because it is a really good glue, but I just wanted something non-toxic and something that I could use around other people that isn't gonna stink. This I can use on lunches, I can use it in the park, I can use it around family. They're never gonna smell it. You can get, if you're not in a time crunch, I really recommend going on eBay for your stones because they're very inexpensive. You could get 5,000 stones for like $3, and that's Canadian, so probably like $2 American. But the nice thing is you get this, oh my gosh, I'm throwing shit. You get this shit first, so you have your stuff to work with, but then you go on eBay and you can get, you know, your other stuff. And I'm not super like crunched for time. Like I don't have like a deadline to have this stuff done. Otherwise I would just order off of Amazon, but it costs more. I know it's Prime, but if you're not in a time crunch, why not get 5,000 as opposed to 3,000 in here for $12? You know what I mean? So that's my opinion. You can also get these little baggies that are really inexpensive as well too. All you have to do is type in the color you want, Rhinestone, and everything will come up. From clear to AB to, I've found colors on there that I never expected. Like for this one, this is obviously a purple that I got off of eBay, but then the inside here is a purple AB, which I had never seen before, that I thought was really dope. So I bought that. I had never seen this color before. This is like a blue AB. It reflects green, gold, blue, turquoise, a little bit of purple. So I really enjoyed that as well too. My personal favorite is the straight up crystal clear rhinestones you can get. They're so sparkly, they're so shimmery, and there is a difference between plastic and glass and all that shit. I don't find there's a huge difference, to be honest with you. Maybe there is, and maybe, you know, I'm not a professional rhinestoner, so maybe that's why. But, and then I found this green. This was part of the 5,000s that I showed, and I still have so much more because you don't use 5,000 for these. But anyway, I thought I would come on and show you this. A lot of people have been asking me to do this. Whenever I show my mirror, people are like, show my mirror, my collection. People are like, oh my god, please show that. So I'm going to do a quick video in my room that you'll see at the end of this. I'm going to play it. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you rhinestone some shit. Bye.